Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here. Friends, today I am going to discuss the chemistry of carbonyl compound, means chemistry of the C double bond O group. Okay, see the content of this today's presentation, the introduction of carbonyl compound, IUPAC nomenclature of carbonyl compound and structure and reaction. Let's see one by one. Introduction of carbonyl compound. What is mean by carbonyl compound? The compounds contain at least one carbonyl group is called as carbonyl compound. A large variety of carbonyl compounds are present in nature and many plays important role in biological processes. Vitamins, carbohydrates, hormones, they contain CO group, C double bond O group means carbonyl group, and they plays very important role in a biological processes. Basically the carbonyl compounds are classified into two types. One is aldehyde and number second is a ketone. In case of aldehyde is R is equal to maybe H alkyl or aryl group, and second side of this carbonyl group there is one compulsory hydrogen. But in case of ketone there is a R and R dash group, that is R and R dash maybe alkyl or aryl group, there is no hydrogen, is called as ketone. These are the aldehyde and number second ketone. The carbonyl group is also known as oxo group. Carbonyl group is also known as oxo group. Number second, next one is a nomenclature of aldehyde. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde. According to IUPAC system of nomenclature, Al is attached as a suffix to parent alkane for the naming of aldehyde. So basically select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom and identify parent alkane. In this parent alkane, last E is replaced by suffix Al. These are the simply IUPAC name of this particular aldehyde. For example, CS2O is named as per IUPAC system methanol. In case of this CS2O, in this longest continuous chain of carbon atom, there is only one carbon, means parent alkane is a methane. In methane, last E is replaced by suffix Al. It gives final name methanol, and methanol is IUPAC name of this compound CS2O. It's commonly known as formaldehyde molecule. The aldehyde group is always attached at the end of main carbon chain, and hence the first position in the numbering is always assigned to it. It is not always necessary to include the numbering in naming. Okay, next one is for aldehyde and ketone, the names are reflected in green and Latin term. Greek letters such as alpha, beta, etc. are used for the location of substituent in the carbon chain. If there is a substituent, then mention the position of the substituent by using letter alpha or beta position. Alpha is adjacent to carbonyl, beta is the next position to the alpha is called as beta position. If aldehyde is attached to ring, then the suffix carbaldehyde is added to the name of this cyclic compound. See the example, number first, methanol molecule. Methanol means common system. In common system is called as formaldehyde molecule. Select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. In longest chain there is only one carbon, means parent alkane is methane. In methane, last E is replaced by Al. It gives finally IUPAC name methanol. Number second example, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. Here there is a two carbon, number first, number second carbon. Okay, then parent alkane is ethane. Last E is replaced by again suffix Al, means it gives finally ethanol. In common system is called as acetaldehyde molecule. Similar to this methanol and ethanol, same pentanol, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means parent alkane is pentane. Last E is substituted by, is replaced by Al. It gives finally pentanol. Okay. Then next one is a select the longest continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means parent alkane is a pentane, but at a second position, means position first is carbonyl carbon, at a second position there is a substitution, and the substitution of chloro group means mention the position of this chloro, means 2-chloropentanol. Just similar to this is a 4 carbon chain is a butanol. See the similar example, there is also 4 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, longest continuous chain containing 4 carbon, then parent alkane is a butane. At a position third, there is one methyl group. Mention the position of this methyl group, means 3-methyl butane, last A is replaced by Al, means 3-methyl butanol. It is the IUPAC name of this aldehyde molecule. The next one is the nomenclature of aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde have CHO attached to benzene ring. Simplest aromatic aldehyde is a benzaldehyde. Suppose simple benzene is directly substituted to this aldehyde group, CHO group, is called as benzaldehyde. Most often aromatic aldehydes get their names as derivative of benzaldehyde. Some aldehydes are conveniently named after corresponding acid, like salicylaldehyde from salicylic acid, anisaldehyde from anisic acid. See the example of this aromatic aldehyde. Number first, benzaldehyde. Number second, there is one aldehyde group, and at fourth position there is a hydroxy group. The common system is a para-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and in IUPAC is a 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Same at 4 position there is a nitro group, same aldehyde, the para-nitro benzaldehyde is a 4-nitro benzaldehyde. Next one, it is a derivative of anisic acid, means anisaldehyde is a anisaldehyde is a aldehyde. At a fourth position there is one methoxy group, is a anisaldehyde. In the IUPAC system is called as 4-methoxy benzaldehyde. Next one is a derivative of salicylic acid, means salicylaldehyde is a aldehyde group, and at second position there is a hydroxy group, means this 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde is called as salicylaldehyde. In common system is called as salicylaldehyde. These are the IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic aldehyde. The next one is the nomenclature of ketone. Now let's discuss the naming of ketone. According to IUPAC guidelines, the suffix ONE is assigned for ketones. In aldehyde, the suffix Al, but in case of ketone, the suffix is ONA. The carbonyl group can be located anywhere within the main chain, and the position is decided by the location number. Means simply select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom which containing C double bond O, means ketone group. Start numbering, assign number in such a way that the ketone group C double bond O group, they receive minimum number, and the numbering of the main chain usually starts from the end such that the carbonyl carbon gets lowest number. These are the basic rules for IUPAC nomenclature of ketone molecule. See the example. Number 1 is acetone. Acetone is a common name, but IUPAC name, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 carbon, and at a second position there is one carbonyl group, means C double bond O group, means in a parent chain there is a 3 carbon, parent alkane is a propane, E is replaced by ONA, means finally IUPAC name of this compound is a propanone. Same, there is a methyl phenyl ketone in common system is called as acetophenone. Then benzophenone is a diphenyl ketone. There is a 2 phenyl ring, 1, 2, it is a diphenyl ketone, is a benzophenone in common system. Then 2-pentanone, at a second position there is a ketone group, and in longest continuous chain there is a 5 carbon, means the IUPAC name of this compound is a 2-pentanone. Then 3-methyl 2-butanone. In longest continuous chain of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a 4 carbon, means parent alkane is a butane. Functional group is a ketone functional group. Use suffix ONA, means in case of butane E is replaced by ONA, butanone. Position of this carbonyl group at a second position, and there is one more substituent methyl group, and the position of this methyl group is a third position, means 3-methyl 2-butanone. Same, there is a longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing 6 carbon, means hexane, last E is replaced by ONA due to presence of this carbonyl group. Suffix of this carbonyl group is ONA, and the position of this carbonyl group is a third position, means IUPAC name is a 3-hexanone. Okay. Similarly, in case of cyclic ketone, the IUPAC nomenclature is use prefix cyclo due to cyclic structure. In cyclic structure there is a 5 carbon, means cyclopentanone, and ONA is a suffix of this ketone group. Then 2-bromo cyclopentanone, at the second position there is one substituent bromo, structure is a cyclics, then prefix cyclo. Penta means there is a 5 carbon in parent chain, then ring chain, parent name, and the ONA is a suffix for this ketone. Similar to this, there is again 4 hydroxy cyclohexanone, 2 bromo 5 methyl cyclohexanone, then 1,4 cyclohexadione. Means if there is a 2 ketone, then use term di. If there is a 3 ketone, then use term tri. Okay, and then same 5-membered ring is 1,2 cyclopentadione. These are the IUPAC nomenclature of ketone. Next one is the structure and reactivity of carbonyl group. See the basic structure of carbonyl group, C double bond O. C double bond O is a polar bond due to difference of electronegativity. Basically, according to inductive effect, the permanent polarization due to difference of electronegativity is called as inductive effect. And this C double bond O, it shows strong inductive effect. Oxygen is more electron withdrawing group. It withdraw electron from this adjacent carbon and gains partial negative charge, and carbonyl carbon it gains partial positive charge. Means it shows electrophilic character and it easily reacts with the nucleophile. Means carbonyl compound it gives nucleophilic addition reaction. Then the reactivity difference between aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde is more reactive than ketone because aldehyde carbon has a greater partial positive charge than ketone carbon, because in aldehyde hydrogen is electron withdrawing than alkyl group. Therefore aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. See the structure of this aldehyde and ketone. In case of aldehyde there is one hydrogen, but in case of ketone there is 2 R group. Hydrogen is more electron withdrawing. Then second reason, in case of aldehyde there is only one R group. Suppose this R is alkyl group. According to inductive effect, alkyl group it acts as electron donating group. It donate electron to this electrophilic carbon. Means the partial electrophilic character of this carbon neutralizes. But in case of this ketone there is a 2 R group. Suppose these 2 R groups are alkyl group. According to inductive effect, this alkyl group acts as electron donor. This 2 alkyl group donate electron to this carbonyl carbon. Means automatically this partial positivity of this carbonyl carbon decreases, and reactivity partial decreases, automatically reactivity also decreases. So the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Thank you very much.